Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Ford Expedition in neutral using an easy method. First, make sure your vehicle is on a level surface to prevent it from rolling. Next, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. Then, turn the ignition to the on position. You don't need to start the engine for this process. This prepares the vehicle for the next steps. Now let's get the Expedition into neutral. Locate your gear shift lever, typically found on the center console or steering column. While still holding the brake, press the button on the side of the shifter. This button releases the lock, allowing you to move the lever. Carefully slide the shifter into the N position for neutral. Once you've moved the shifter, confirm that N for neutral is clearly displayed on your dashboard. This visual confirmation is important. Slowly release the brake pedal to ensure the vehicle is indeed in neutral and not in gear. For added safety, especially if you're leaving the vehicle, always engage the parking brake. This prevents any unintended movement. When you're ready to take your Expedition out of neutral, simply press the brake pedal firmly once more. Then, move the gear shifter back into the P position for park. You'll hear a click as it locks into place. Finally, you can turn off the ignition. This completes the process of putting your Ford Expedition into and out of neutral safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.